In this video, I'll explain how your body changes when you jog every day. Make sure to watch the whole video. It's going to be interesting. What is jogging? Jogging means running at a slow speed, around 7 to 10 kilometers per hour. The pace is different for everyone, and what matters most is the technique, not how fast you go. When you jog, you're pretty relaxed and not in a rush. Your movement might be slow, almost like walking, but your feet briefly leave the ground in a phase called the flight phase. Jogging is like a perfect exercise for staying healthy. At this pace, most people keep their heart rate in a good range, avoiding overexertion and injury. It's not only good for your heart, blood vessels, and breathing, but it can also help with burning fat if you want to lose weight. Jogging is great for those who want an easy workout whenever they have time, without stress or pushing too hard. It's especially good for beginners who aren't ready for intense training. Even experienced runners find jogging helpful as a recovery workout after races or during the off-season. Muscles that works while jogging. When you jog, different muscles in your body get a workout. The muscles in your thighs, like the soleus, biceps, and quadriceps, as well as your buttocks, are all doing their thing. And don't forget your arms and core muscles, including your abs. They work to keep you stable while jogging. But here's the thing. Jogging won't make your muscles super big. It will make them stronger and more toned, but you won't end up with giant calves, huge hips, or big buttocks. Now, let's talk about why jogging is good for you. Jogging benefits. Jogging is great for your heart, joints, and muscles. When you jog, your blood circulation improves, giving your tissues more oxygen and nutrients. This speeds up metabolic processes and helps normalize blood pressure. Jogging also boosts your immune system, helps reduce cellulite, and aids in weight loss. If you jog at a speed of 12 kilometers per hour, you can burn about 14 calories per 1 kilogram of body weight. So, for someone weighing 70 kilograms, that's around 900 calories burned in an hour. Jogging is not just good for your body. It's beneficial for your mind too. It's recommended for people dealing with stress or depression. Slow, rhythmic jogging can help clear your thoughts. And exercising for more than half an hour releases endorphins, which are the hormones that make you happy. Regular joggers tend to have fewer headaches, less muscle pain, and are less likely to experience seasonal depression. Scientists think it's not just the increased endorphins but also the fresh air and positive emotions that contribute to this. Jogging outdoors helps your body produce vitamin D from the sun, which improves your hormonal system, lifts your mood, and can help overcome prolonged feelings of sadness. Interestingly, jogging has been found to be helpful for patients with depressive conditions, assisting them in coping with their problems. Proper form of jogging. Here are some simple tips for jogging. Number 1. Stand straight. Look ahead and breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Number 2. Take bouncy steps and keep your elbows bent, swinging your arms in sync with your steps. Before you start jogging, make sure to warm up. This helps get your muscles and joints ready, reducing the risk of injury. You can jog in different places like city streets, park paths, or on a treadmill. The important things are the pace and your pulse. If you run slowly, you might not generate much heat. So make sure to dress warmly to avoid getting cold. And hey, don't forget to check out other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen right now. See you soon!